Hi, so today I'm going to show you how you can make one of the best coffee drinks, which is the Mocha Latte. This is one of the coffee drinks that you'll find in most of the coffee shop, and I'm going to show you how you can make it like a professional barista using an espresso machine. This is one of the coffee drinks that you should try if you're someone who loves coffee with chocolate. I'm going to be taking you through a full process on how we make the Mocha Latte in our coffee shop as a barista in real time. So we start by adding 2 spoonfuls of our chocolate powder into our cup. Then we're going to extract our shot of espresso on top of the chocolate powder. So we're going to be using a double shot of espresso. So after extracting a shot of espresso, then we're going to mix well our shot of espresso with our chocolate powder to have that clean base so that we'll be able to create an amazing latte art on it. So we're going to be steaming our milk for making latte art. We are using full fat milk, but you can use any other milk. You can add a sugar syrup if you want your mocha sweet. So there's few steps that you need when you're steaming your milk. You need to purge your steaming one to remove the air. Then you're going to steam your milk. Make sure to steam your milk so that you can create that silky texture which will enable you make a good latte art. If you'd like a full guide on how you can steam your milk, check it in the description below. I'll link it there. If not, wait until the end of this video. I'll give you some tips that you need to improve your milk steaming. After steaming your milk, then we're going to pour our latte art on our mocha. So you start by mixing in our milk into our espresso. You start pouring. I'm going to be pouring a winged tulip. You start by pushing, then the next pour you're going to wiggle your jug so that you can create layers, then finish it with a clean winged tulip. I have made also a full video explaining on how you can make the best winged tulip. So as I said, this is how we make our cafe mocha in our coffee shop as a barista in real time. But one of the easiest steps that you can take if you want to make good latte art, I will recommend for you to start practicing using water. It enables you to learn how to pour smoothly and also to hold the cup and the milk jug. These are the first steps that you need as a beginner when you want to grow your latte art skills. Practice as many times as you can with water. For this practice to perfectly work for you, you need to first know which latte art designs you're going to practice. Then after knowing and watching how a professional barista is making that latte art design, then you can try practicing it with water. After mastering it, then you can start pouring your latte art. So I'm going to give you a challenge for this video. I want you to try making this advanced latte art designs, which is my signature latte art. It's a rose flower. When we are pouring a rose flower, we start by pouring the petals, then the leaves. I'm going to take you through a full process. We start by steaming our milk to create that perfect milk texture. Milk steaming is very important if you want to make a good latte art on your cup of coffee. After steaming our milk, then we're going to start pouring our rose latte art. So we start by mixing in our milk into our espresso. You need to hold your cup firmly very well and also to have a consistency when you're pouring your milk jug. So we start by pouring a number 8 as our petal, then pouring small pours to create that shape of the petals of the rose. Then after, we're going to pour the 2 leaves which are at the base of the cup. Then we're going to finish with a long stem which is similar to a head of a swan. So this is how you can make a rose latte art. Try it and let me know how this latte art works out for you. If you're having any challenge with latte art, watch this video next if you want to know more about advanced latte art designs and how you can practice them so that you can grow to become a professional barista.